Hello?
This is Crew with Electric Ground. I'm sitting here with Smooth Nature. Who we got?
So I am Marvin Alexander. I'm De'Arian Alexander.
And I am Gerald Wilburn Jr., aka Saxy G.
Gotta throw the AKA.
Gotta throw the AKAs in there.
That's it, that's it.
What's good, y'all? My name is Gerald, aka Saxy G. I play the saxophone with Smooth Nature, and I write, rap, all that.
My name is De'Arian Alexander. I play guitar and vocals on Smooth Nature, and I just be writing songs too. My name is Marvin Alexander. I manage, get these guys together. I write as well, and I am the main lead singer of Smooth Nature.
I see the music got you moving. Your hands up in the air. Don't be afraid to get into it. 'Cause we sure gonna take